Ah, I don't have.
This crayfish is size 3. Now this one is 500 naira. This Mavico, one of my. Let's carry your head.
It's not my age.
Oh my god.
Have you got So we need red oil. We need onions. We need crayfish. We need pepper. We need ehuru. We need salt. We need maggi. We need abacha. We need hot water. What about the light that came with your skin?
It's facing me. It's facing me. Like see it now. It's facing
It's
me.
designed to face her.
Okay, I will understand.
Since.
Alright, the first important thing is to keep your head covered. Then this is hot water, this is cold water. So I'm going to be mixing the two. I'm starting with the cold water so it doesn't burn the food. I'm going to get a lukewarm consistency for the abacha. So I have it soaked. I'm going to keep it aside. I'm keeping my hot water outside. Then okay, then our pot goes on the fire. We're going to let that dry swiftly. We already have our onions, our pepper,
Bring it close. Man.
onions, pepper, ehuru. I have a sachet ehuru here. Crayfish and 2 cubes of maggi. Then salt. So I'm just waiting for this to quickly dry so I can put in my red oil. So the pot is dry. I'm shaking my red oil. So the pot is dry. And then I've added a bit of red oil. So I'm closing this out. Remember my abacha is soaking. So I have to sieve it so it doesn't get over soft.
You're not showing them that you are seeing it.
So sieving it out already so it doesn't get over soft. I've set that aside. Now I'm just going to allow this to heat for a bit. I like to add a bit of salt in my oil so that all the ingredients I'm going to be adding are going to absorb a bit of salt. I'm just going to be adding a mighty pinch. Extra for good measure.
Aguro. The contents. No.
So
English, you are totally in frame like this.
So I'm just going to let this heat up a bit. I can see a bit of smoke.
You are not in frame.
One ring test. So I'm just going to let it come up a bit so you know that the oil is hot enough. Yes, it has come to the surface, so it is hot enough. Then I'm going to put in my onions. My junior sister cut it for me.
Give me money.
The cut onions for me, not bring this.
Waiting.
Please bring this to me. Thank you. So just
She got it back, Nina. She got it back, Nina. Yeah, yeah.
Funny enough, it's all these noises that make it beautiful. That's what it is. Water.
Which water? Please packet to.
I need to read this now. I just brought it.
Read it. That looks like cotton ring. So I was saying, hey, you onions. I used to like it to fry. It used to shock me, my teeth.
Then you really don't see how onions you can add.
I don't know why.
You do not fry it, that's why. You fry on those.
It will not change to green.
It's not change to green. Every day you learn, just learn what you want.
That's sweet.
Oh, my bag is all low. See our wall. Clean wall again.
I'm gonna plug my papa inside. I want to get
So just went to for
I'm going to roast this fish. Put that for the end.
I like to cook something that you do as you are cooking.
Then about it.
Every you love shibo. Okay, she say this thing. Hey, where the ehuru? You don't put your ehuru.
how will I put the room?
Then I pretend to make it left well. But they're not putting eggs in. These Gen Z's one, they're not putting eggs in. How does it go taste like? Boiled egg.
Please give me slow seed. I don't know the kind of crayfish.
I think it's one by one.
Keep it now.
I can't put this. If you put this, it's going to be hell inside the food. It's oil. Oil will separate all these things. That's the
I will put that one by
Are you finding it inside this oil?
yes.
I will put that one by
Or
put it inside this thing. Big like.
then don't worry. I'm going to start putting it like that. Should this like not hungry? Should this is not hungry? Actually, what this is not hungry and it's still simmering. Doesn't hungry. You let it simmer.
This will be like as if you are cooking rice. You fry everything.
Oh yeah,
rice.
I learned this thing from Ituku. From Tina Zerigwe. Now she tissue. She posted that Abacha on her status. Ah! Shit!
I don't put it sweet though.
I used to put it now, but I didn't have the strength to put
My
it
sister,
now.
what that's Kalista. Kalista.
I used to put, that's when I used to do my Abacha. Okpe, Ewuru, Uba.
And then the mommy, you know, as normal our farm this thing. She remember that I had that for mommy. I told her she would shout that I collect food from there. What kind of carry now? I said I was scared. No, you don't want to collect things from them. You can't give me. I'll go hide them. What kind of carry now? Somebody that was sweet. I think that's the best Abacha I've eaten. Apart from mommy. Then this my roommate in the one.
Okay, let me explain that.
Chelendo, Choco.
I'm going to go to let
Change the enter frame of the video.
I'm sure I'm hungry. That was my name.
I'm going to let the crayfish simmer a bit before I add water.
Distilled water.
Which kind of water will you?
Say with much.
113. Do you know how many pieces is inside?
That means this is 100%.
I hope so.
Are you sure it's 100%?
This scent.
I hope so.
Obviously,
Okay, should not be out they use cook food. Yeah.
Healthy cooking. Healthy cooking.
This they will pick it, they will roast it now.
I don't think
not
they roasted
blend.
this way.
I mean, for oven dry it. Do not blend it.
Why is it not coming out?
What about that garlic? Do you believe that garlic is 100%?
Smelling water so strong.
Then bring up.
It smells nice though.
Ewu is Abacha.
Anuba.
African muscade.
Do you know why I added the water? I added the water so that it can boil the maggi, it can boil the food. That's why I added the water.
Because you don't eat it raw.
So it's going to boil those things. Now I'm going to add a little bit more salt for the cooking. So I'm not going to leave this thing to boil for a bit. So I'll put in there.
If we come back, there's one trend I want us to do. That's gonna be like this. Can you do that song? You know that dance?
It's like I know it.
You do your own. You come up from there, another person do their own. I like that trend there. I know you may not hot though. You know hot though. There you go. The thick vest. It's okay.
Okay, she come out. Do you want to complain?
No,
It's a test. Do you want to complain? Listen my mouth. You guys. You on hand, you know.
I have to bring it up. Turn something. I'm going to my plate.
Also, here. Now. Okay. What was this one?
Why is that here? My God, are so cute.
Because you know,
She's rice.
In a place.
this thing is half of the bucket. Half of the bucket. I like to do something excess. You serious? I don't think that tomorrow morning I'll eat it.
So this abacha now is you want crunchy abacha. I'm cooking crunchy abacha for you all.
And then bring that out, for me and add it. So you put this in, let it stay sweet.
No, it's enough.
Ah,
It's enough. If you put it now, it will be raw.
I think it's okay. I'll do it. Then make your own plate. Let's say I cannot go in as much meat. This is not the
This one is my plate now.
No, Mandy, you on your own. Do your own.
Why did you bring from your own
Mandy, go on, grab. Do not go hand grab.
I've been using your hungry and you're hungry.
No, I'm hungry past that.
She now wash.
No, I wash the plate.
You put it down for salt.
Don't worry, just put it like
Oh, you
that.
don't put it like that. I'm going to give that.
Mandy, on first, when Mandy, they chop down.
Where you go? You want
See, Mandy, wipe that. Imagine.
I know. Quickly test it. It's hard.
See the plate I want to bring for. Put it. You put it here. Everybody.
No salt in this food.
No salt.
That's how my daddy likes it. It's very good.
Why is that salt that will make me to be remembering the food?
Why
It's bland.
Maddie does not eat much salt. I'll put this one for Maddie.
You know that pinch of salt you put since the beginning?
No, I added.
When do you add salt? I mean, I don't see you add, you know.
I said extra salt for good measure. Go and give it to Maddie.
Well, you put my own. Just my own.
She said she wants to don't add salt. Test it whether you need salt. Test it first if I add salt.
Hey, where's that?
It's okay now.
Hey, where's that chair?
Actually, it's a creme dish for you.
I think I use the people now.
How much is this salty?
I don't know for how.
Which one are you going to eat?
Oh. Look at that one.
What's in me?
No. What is this one?
It's going to be food for car. Still for fish now.
So my love.
You're lucky then.
You want?
No, the madam baba. Try me to get the fresh.
Everything fresh, beer.
What about you? And that comes to the end of our vlog.
Okay. We have cooked the abacha finish. Biageri. Biageri.
See, last all the crayfish, they say use it 3 times.
Where did you get this bowl from?
I just bought it
Why?
for my school.
All these things can be grinded to cook soup.
So guys, this is it. This is abacha.
She put salt on her food though.
Kwam kwam kwam. Angeri.
Can't get like salt.
Okay.
Selection the crayfish.
So this is my sister. I know you guys have not seen any of my. Okay, yes, you've seen one of my sister. Ogechi. So this is my second sister.
Cherish.
I know it's Chibindu. Chibindu. That is your name.
I wanted to check. Mom said she gave me Cherish.
She's.
What's that man name in First Pride?
And she gave me Salute Touchy too.
Mom said, you know that what's that man name in First Pride?
So yeah.
And your name is
What's
C. You guys are changing to me.
She's not. She's not the one that changed her name to Mary.
She's the one.
No, I'm not the one.
No, she's not the one. Her name is Mary.
You know, birth certificate is saying Mary. Baptismal card is Cherish. Oh yeah, baptismal card. Baptism that they do me in 2007. It's Cherish that is there.
So your best
Her name is
It's not
Mary
want to affect
Gongo.
me. It's not want to affect me in
Wayek.
I was not can I come and be crying to my daddy that day. And the next day, my daddy leave work.